What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to find and fix the deleted photos that may still be present on Google. For it, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your Google and type Google Photos. You need to be on your computer, okay? You can do this on the mobile. Of course, you can go to mobile and ask a website version, okay, the web version of the site. It works as well. So, go to Google Photos, sign in. You're going to be able to find an image almost like this one. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your photo, there is this gear icon called Settings. Click on it, okay? Once you click on it, you're going to scroll it down just a little bit until you find Suggestions, okay? Manage the types of suggestions you see. Click into this little arrow. Scroll it down just a little bit and you're going to be able to find skipped suggestions and unsaved creations. These two options right here still saves the suggestions that Google made even if you delete the pictures, okay? So click on view. Imagine that you have deleted this video but Google has a suggestion. So I have to click on it and click on delete permanently. Just like this, and this is the unique way to delete completely the image or video, okay? Yours may have a lot of suggestions, okay? Try, go back, refresh the process, do again until you remove every single suggestions that you can see, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.